Good morning, dear students. Today I will start new chapters of class 7th. That is chapter number 11, perimeter and area. In this chapter, I will read, I will learn how we will find any two-dimensional shape, perimeter and area. Then first of all, I will tell you what is perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all sides. Perimeter means sum of all sides. Perimeter is the total length of the side. Perimeter is the total length of side of a two-dimensional shape. Of a two-dimensional shape. Perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter means perimeter is the length of. Perimeter is the length of the total length. Perimeter is the total length of the sides of a two-dimensional shape. Clear? So we will write perimeter is the total length of two-dimensional shapes. Perimeter is the total length of two-dimensional shapes. Any figure is given and asking their perimeter. Suppose that you are not knowing formula, you can do sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. Suppose that rectangle is given. Rectangle is given. One rectangle is given. Clear? Rectangle A, B, C, D. Clear? What is rectangle? We know that rectangle is a closed figure having four sides. Opposite sides are equal. Clear? Opposite sides are equal. Each angle 90 degree. Clear? It is a rectangle. Suppose that it is a 5 centimeter, it is a 2 centimeter. Clear? So it is 5 centimeters, it is also 5 centimeter. Why? Because we know that in rectangle opposite sides are equal. It is 2 centimeter, it is also 2 centimeter. Because we know that in rectangle opposite sides are equal. Clear? Find perimeter. Perimeter means sum of all sides. Sum of all sides means AB plus BC plus CD plus DE. Clear? Perimeter means sum of all sides. Sum of all sides means AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Clear? After that put the values. AB is 5, BC 2, CD also 5, DA also 2 centimeter. 5 to 7, 7 5 12 up to 14 centimeter. Clear? means perimeter is asking. Perimeter means sum of all side. Sum of all side means AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So 5 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. 5 to 7, 5 to 12 to 14 centimeter. It is a perimeter of rectangle. Clear? Understand? Once again I am telling you what is perimeter. Perimeter means perimeter is the total length of two dimensions. Clear? Perimeter, given one example. Example means one rectangle is given there, given two sides DC and BC. We know that rectangle is a closed figure having four sides, opposite sides are equal, each angle 90 degree. We have taken perimeter equal to sum of all sides. Sum of all sides means AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Put the value. Clear? 14 centimeter. Clear? Next, note down this. Then I will explain area. What is area? Area. Area. What is area? Clear? So area means, if asking area of rectangle, area of square, means length into breadth. Area of rectangle, length into breadth. So what we will write area? Area means it is the total surface occupied. It is the total surface occupied by any closed figure. Clear? We will write it is the total surface. It is the total surface occupied by any closed figure. Clear? Closed means it is the total surface occupied by any closed figure. One example. Suppose that one is square. Clear? Square P Q R S. Clear? P Q R S, it is a square. Asking what is the area of square? One side is given 5 centimeters. Clear? So first of all, we will think about square. What was square? What was square? Square means it is a closed figure having four sides. All sides are equal. All sides are equal. Clear? Square, it is a closed figure having four sides. All sides are equal. Means if it is 5 centimeter, it is also 5. It is also 5. It is also 5. Clear? Each angle 90 degree. But in a rectangle, all sides are not equal, opposite sides are equal. But in a square, all sides are clear. There is difference between rectangle and square. Clear? Area means area of square, side into side. Side into side means 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter. The 5 to 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter square. Clear? So once again I am telling you, area means it is the total surface occupied by any closed figure. Clear? area, one example we have taken, one square is there, clear, one side is given 5 centimeter, clear, PQRS is a square, clear, one side is given, asking area, we know that area of square side into side, 5 into 5 means 25 centimeter square, clear. I hope you understand very well what is perimeter and what is area. Now note down in this, after that I will start exercise. Note down this. Before starting exercise, I will tell some formula. Area and perimeter of rectangle, clear? Area. First of all, I will tell perimeter. Perimeter definition I told you. Area also I told you. It is a rectangle. Rectangle ABCD. Clear? Rectangle ABCD. It is a length. It is breadth. Clear? Perimeter of rectangle means 2 into length plus width. Why we have taken 2L plus B? 2L plus B means L plus L, B plus B, 2L plus 2B, 2 common, 2L plus B. By length it is also, it is also length, it is also. Clear? Means whatever value given this L, that value also you will take here also. Whatever value you have taken this breadth, you can take this breadth also, that value. Clear? How 2L plus B we have written? I told you, I explain also. Clear? So, perimeter of rectangle 2 in bracket length plus breadth. Clear? Next, area. Area formula. Clear? Area means L into B, length into breadth. Area of rectangle L into B, perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B. Here written rectangle. Clear? Suppose that length is given, area is given, breadth is asking, you can write breadth equal to area upon length. Suppose that length value is asking, means area upon. Clear? If area is asking, L into B, length is asking, area upon, breadth is asking, area upon breadth, length is asking, area upon breadth. Means clear to you? Diagonal. AC is diagonal. Clear? Suppose the length and breadth value is given, asking diagonal value. So how you can find? The formula is, note down, then I will. Diagonal equal to under root L square plus B square. Clear? So diagonal equal to under root L square plus B square. Means this and this value is given, so diagonal value you can find. Clear? Note down this. One example I am telling you. We have of this formula. Suppose the length is given 4 cm 3 cm. Clear? It is given 4, it is given 3. Diagonal value is asking. Clear? So diagonal means AC. Clear? AC अंदर equal to L square plus B square. The formula we know that. Clear? Put the value. 5 square, sorry 4 plus 3 centimeter, 16 centimeter square plus 9 centimeter square equal to 25 centimeter square. So AC equal to 5 square. Because 25 is square of 5. Clear? For example. Next square. Next topic is square. Square formula also I will tell. Note down this. Square. Square formula. Perimeter of square and area. Perimeter of square means square into RH. Clear? We know that in square 4 sides, all sides are equal, each angle 90 degree. Clear? Perimeter of square means 4 into side, sum of all sides. Clear? If perimeter formula you have no learned, you can do sum of all sides. Clear? If any figure is given asking there only perimeter, you can write perimeter equal to sum of all sides. Clear? Area side into side. Area equal to side into side. Okay? Note down this formula. Next, then I will start exercise. Exercise 11.1. Exercise 11.1. First question. The length and the breadth of rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter. 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. Find its area and the cost of the land if 1 meter square of the land costs 10,000. Clear? So in first question, in a rectangular piece, length equal to 500 meter, breadth equal to 300. Clear? Length 500 meter, breadth 300 meter. It is given. Okay? First question means first part, area is asking. Clear? So earlier I told you what is the formula of rectangle. Clear? First of all you think what is area of rectangle. Area of rectangle means L into B, length into breadth. So we will start solution. Area of equal to L into B. L into B. Length the 500 meter into 300 meter. multiply, you know that, but once again I am telling you. 500, see here, 500 here, 0 0 0, 1 place 0 0 0 0 0. Clear? 1,50,000. Clear? What? Meters. Meter? It was first part. Note down. Note down this. Second part. Cost of the 1 meter land equal to 10,000 rupees. The cost of 1,50,000. Clear? Cost since cost of 1 meter square land equal to 10,000 rupees. Clear? The cost of, therefore, cost of 1,50,000 meters square land equal to what? 10,000 multiplied by 1,50,000 equal to 15 1 15. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Clear? What? Second question, find the area of a square whose perimeter is 320 meters. Second question. Find the perimeter, find the area of a square. Means area value is asking, perimeter square equal to how much given? 320. Area of the square is asking, perimeter of the square is given. See solution. Perimeter of square. Perimeter of square equal to 320 meter. It is given. We know that formula. Perimeter of square. What? 4 into side. Why we are finding side value? Because we know that area of square equal to side into side. In this question, perimeter of square value is given. Means we have no side value. So first of all, we will solve value of side. When we will get side value, then we can find area of square. Clear? Side equal to, here is multiply, transposition upon 4. 4 area 32. Side equal to 80 meter. So side of square means 80 meter. Area of square formula. Area square side into side. 80 meter into 80 meter. 8 area 64. 6400 meters. What was your area of square? area of square 6400 meters. Once again I am explaining. Area is asking, perimeter of square is given. Suppose that this type question is given, so first of all you will find value of side, because without side value you cannot find area value or perimeter value. Clear? So here is perimeter value is given. Perimeter of square is given. Perimeter of square equal to 320 meter. We know that formula. Perimeter of square 4 into side. 4 into side equal to 320 meter. Side equal to 320 upon 4. 4 into 32. 80 meter. Means value of side equal to 80 meter. After that, area of square is asking. We know that area of square formula equal to side into side. Value of side is 80 meter into 80 meter. 8 area 6400 meter square. Clear, student? Note down this. Third question. Find the breadth of rectangular plot of land if its area is 440 meter square and the length is 22 meter. Also find its perimeter. Very simple question. Question number 3. See, student, listen carefully. If you solve the question, so first of all you will write there given that whatever given is there, first of all you will find out what is given there. Then you think which formula you will take, then question you can solve very easily. Clear? Now this question, find the breadth of rectangular plot, means breadth is asking. Clear? Area is given. Area rectangle equal to how much? 440 meters square. Clear? And length is 22 meters. So also find perimeter. Perimeter also is asking. Perimeter of rectangle. In this question, breadth is asking, area of rectangle is given, length value is given, means two value is given. What? Area and length. Two value is asking, breadth and perimeter. Yes. Very simple question. I told you formula ki area of rectangle equal to L into B. When area and length value is given, breadth is asking, so which formula you will take? I told you ki breadth equal to area upon length. Area upon length. Clear? Area upon length. Area is 440 meters square. Length is 22 meters. Clear? 22 to 44 meter. 1 meter cancel. So breadth equal to 20 meters. If you want to check if this value is correct or not, we know that area of rectangle L into B, L into B, B equal to 20, L equal to 22, 22 for the 22 to the 44, 440 meters. Perimeter is also asking. Perimeter of rectangle. This formula also we know. Perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 in bracket L plus P. 2 in bracket L plus P. After that 2 L means what? 22. B means 20. 2 into 22 plus 20. 2 to 4 means 2 to the 4 to 4 जाएगी मीटर. क्लियर? तो पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल 84 मीटर, breadth is 20 meter, breadth is asking, breadth equal to 20 meter, perimeter of rectangle 84 meter. Clear? Student, note down this. So 3 question I told you. Clear? I think you understand very easily. Other question you can do. Clear? In next video I will explain other question also from R.S. Agrawal book in first exercise, and in NCERT 11.1 3 question I told you, other question you will do. Clear? Whatever is different, that also I will explain in next video. Clear, student? Okay, thank you.